Baby, what when you sell out there? I'm not happy with what he did last night. Ngokuthi ngibona ukuthi ngiyahamba and then yena wanamathela lapha ngathi bamthela super glue. Wangangisupportanga mina njengomngakho.
Ngisupport.
Phela mina wena mawacabana nomuntu manje ngizokusupport. Angeke ngize ngibe umngani naloyo muntu. So mina not that Gabene people, I just don't want to talk to them. Bokumele support. Don't you think bokumele ayibukeki kahle phambi kwabantu? I mean, kumele sibe tag team.
Why bungafuni ukukhuluma nawe?
Angibathanda abantu abangamaphixiphiqi. And also futhi enye into engidinayo with them asking about our relationship and stuff like that is because of what we had spoken about with Bibenza, and especially on that WhatsApp group, the one that I told you about, the main issue ke mojola waka lesme waka yabo gore bana ba nka nko ya bona ba yese ya Goldilocks ba ikenye mo ditabeng tsaka, and I hate that. That is why being dinake. So I felt with maybe look bang, are you okay? It's because that they want me to tell them things about what maybe qeta bachela whatever ngizobachela yona, then sebayahamba ke bayideliver khona.
Ngiyacabanga vele le trip angisaba mnandi because sekunenkinga nje no trade.
Ngize uthi wena une family eningi eGoli, but you've never taken me there.
Qinisa ukuthi like uyazi ukuthi ngine family this side, so angazi why ngibuza because uyazi ukuthi family nathi vele. Angazi ngiyakisa lapho.
Baby wangisi.
Okay, wena uyafuna yini siqala lapho kuya lapho?
Baby mara.
If uyafuna ubuzohamba nami, so musuwenza ngathi.
Ngihambe nawe ngilahlele emotweni ngifike ngithi ngihamba nawe kumasebenzi wakho. Ungicabangela kanjani when all the time I always tell him ukuthi simele ukuhle kanti koheno simele ukuhle, even if it's not koheno here your friends, because simele ukuhle leaves home saying uye banganini bakhe, but mangithi okay ngibonise loyo mngani wakho phela kanamngani. It was better if I was going to people engibaziyo ngifike ngithi hayi namhlanje ngizonibona ninjani, so I don't know them. So uma ngabe ke I do have the interest yokuya kini ngiziyela mina ngifika ngithi ngubani lapha
umndeni wami awu-recognize umshado wami noThini because uThini yabo abamfuni. Before uzongibuza ukuthi like ngisa nini yimi nga-initiate ukuthi asambe wathini wahodula iy'nyawo, so ngathi hayi
I couldn't go that time, and you know the reason for ukuthi ngingakhona ukuhamba ngaleso
sikhathi leso. Angakhona ukuhamba
makathi sihambe se-KZN, I had said to him okay angeke sikwazi ukuhamba manje ngale date leyo yena bekafuna ukuthi sihambe ngayo, because I was looking at my finances, right? So ngimtshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi mengiya kini ngiye at least ngazi ukuthi I can book myself a hotel. I'm not going to sleep kini because chances would be kini they are not going to accept me. So ngifuna ukuthi vele ngizincedile because I was protecting myself. Kube manje angikho okube mhlambe mavithe ngigijimiswe izinja zasebusuku. Sibele uhlanga ngithandela nje ufuna ukungibulalisa yo.
So
okay manje sengine-interest yokuya kini ke ungisa nini?
Noma yini anytime is time.
Nakusasa?
Yeah, nakusasa.
Okay, sure.